Hi, Robin and Chet here with Sea Lake Journeys.
Sea Lake Journeys.
We would like to welcome all of you back to our channel. Today we are taking you to the Straw Market and Radio Beach in Bimini, Bahamas.
Let's go.
So when we got to Bimini, Bahamas, we rode the tram from the ship to the last stop on the tram, which is the golf cart rental area and taxi cab pickup. Okay, so first of all, to get a taxi cab, there are no signs to tell you where to wait or anything like that.
No.
So the taxi cabs are not marked. They are actually private vehicles. Some are large vehicles and some are smaller vehicles. And you may not necessarily be riding in the same taxi to the straw market as you would be coming back from the straw market.
And you may be riding with people you don't know.
And they may also try to put too many people in the vehicle than the vehicle will hold. So because the taxis are actually private vehicles and there are very few vehicles on the island, taxis are limited. And they may put more people in a taxi than are part of a single party.
But the rates are very affordable. I was surprised at how cheap it was to take us over to Radio Beach and the Straw Market.
We're going to introduce you to our driver.
How about that?
Oh,
This is Trey.
Trey,
What
yeah.
do you do here?
I supervise the docking in the cruise ships, and then I also carry the passengers from the resort to the airport.
To the airport? Oh.
Yeah. So that's like when the Silver Airlines come in. Yeah, I pick them up and then drop them to the resort.
And how many ships you get a week or a day or whatever?
A week and maybe like 4 ships or 6 ships on a good week.
Oh,
Wow, okay.
awesome.
Because this is a brand new port, only been open a year, right?
Yeah, yeah.
Do you live here on the island?
I live here now. I'm from a different island.
Oh, what town are you from?
You ever heard about the Abaco?
Uh-huh, we've been there.
Definitely, that's definitely the perfect island.
Trey, it's good to meet you. Thanks for helping us out with the taxi.
All the time, anytime.
We'll be going here in a few minutes. We got some friends with us now. Who's our friends? Who are y'all?
Elizabeth.
Elizabeth.
7-piece.
7-piece?
7-piece, baby.
Like
Yeah.
chicken?
That's
Like
better than a
7
4-piece.
Like 7 pieces of joy.
There
All
you go.
right.
So we took the taxi. We paid $5 a person to ride the taxi over here to the beach and the straw market. Right now we're at the straw market.
This is an old pirate museum that used to be open to the public. It's not open now, but there's still a cannon out front. In 1918, Prohibition kicked in the United States. Guess what? Bimini decided to take advantage of that. So they set up some speakeasies over there on the island and began rum running because they're so close to the United States. So the United States Coast Guard began patrolling in between Bimini and the United States at this time. Until then, they just ignored them. So Bimini became famous for rum running and for their speakeasy.
Hello everyone, it's
The
my
birthday girl.
birthday. Nice meeting you.
Yeah, 18 now?
No, 30.
What?
From North Carolina.
Cut it out. You from North Carolina? All right.
Yeah, and I'm the mother.
I thought your sister for a second. I tell you
Yeah, I love you. I love you.
These underage people, I don't know if I can take their video. I might get in trouble with the parents.
Nice meeting you, Mr. Chen.
You on the Conquest too?
Yes, sir. Yes,
All right,
sir.
well, happy birthday.
You know who
I know who you are.
know
I'm acting like a girlfriend, okay? It's great to finally
Thank
see you
you,
together.
thank
Happy
you.
birthday.
Hey, thank you, thank you.
Market, beside the museum,
It's a public beach.
a public beach. Just gonna walk up this sidewalk right here and go check out the beach. It's pretty steep though.
Steep. Well, So we made it to the top of the hill, and at the top of the hill was Radio Beach. What a gorgeous beach it was.
This is the less commercialized side of Bimini.
And you get more of the island vibe over here.
This guy did nothing but chop coconuts all day for coconut drinks.
So they do have chair, umbrella, and cabana rentals. 2 chairs with no umbrella is $40. 2 chairs with an umbrella is $60, and the little blue tent with 4 chairs is $80 for the whole day. Keep in mind that prices are climbing as Bimini becomes more popular.
Yep, everything's going up. Them golf carts shot up on us double overnight.
And here at Radio Beach, there are 2 little bars, and they both serve food. But it's absolutely a gorgeous day at Bimini. The water was beautiful and cool and refreshing.
What a great place to come and spend a beach day. If you like the beach and you want that island vibe, come on up to Radio Beach here in Bimini. Just take the taxi cab for $5 a person, and they got the bars here. Get you something to eat, something to drink.
Keep in mind, the only way to get to Radio Beach is by golf cart or taxi. It is entirely too far to walk.
And you can get that coconut and put some rum in there. Ooh, yeah.
Melanie. Hi.
Look at that beautiful background.
Yes. How you guys doing? Nice to meet you.
Welcome to Bimini.
Yes.
Miami.
Yes, Miami. Yes.
And your names?
I'm Virginia.
And I'm Melanie.
Yes.
We are
and
so glad to be cruising with y'all in Bimini today.
Absolutely. It's nice out here. What a beautiful day. And the weather is to die for.
Ooh, yeah.
Yes. Lift it up. Lift it up.
That's right. Oh, y'all.
So we're back on the ship from being out in Bimini today.
The taxi drivers, though, were really nice, really friendly people.
The taxi ride is $5 per person, and they'll take you down to the straw market and the beach, and a $5 per person ride back.
And the beach is really nice there, too. All in all, it's a small island, and it don't take you long to get around because there's not a whole lot there to do unless you really like the beach. If you do, or like sitting on the beach, having a drink, this is a good spot for you to come.
We hope you enjoyed this video about the straw market and Radio Beach in Bimini, Bahamas.
Yeah, remember, you could just take that little taxi ride for $5 a person to get there, or rent that golf cart. Those are the 2 ways to get there. But it's worth going to. If you love the beach and you want a great beach day on a pristine beach, a couple of little local bars there to get you some local food and local drinks, this is the place to go.
If you haven't subscribed to the channel, we do ask that you subscribe to the channel and give us a thumbs up. And until next time, we'll see you around the channel.
See you around the channel.